Hi guys, Jay here from Vivid Lumen. I'm here today to present our Brilliant series of heavy-duty headlight assemblies. We have the Brilliant series available for most heavy-duty applications on the road today, including Peterbilt, VOLVO, Freightliner, Kenworth, International, Westernstar. The Brilliant series has been built to withstand the elements. It's got an IP67 rating. It is a full LED conversion, meaning your DRLs, your signal lights, and your projector headlight. These units do not require any further modification, so therefore they're 100% sealed from factory and they stay that way. They're a full plug-and-play application. These lights not only look great from the curbside, but they put the light where it matters, and that's thanks to the projector technology available today. This gives you a 1400 lumen rating for your low beam and a 2400 lumen rating for your high beam, putting the light down the road where you need it. Here at Vivid Lumen, we understand there's no time for downtime. Our headlights are built to withstand the elements. They have an IP67 rating, and we back them by a 3-year warranty. Please check out our website to have a look at our Brilliant series. As well, check out our heavy-duty line of fog light replacements. They also incorporate our projectors, and they also incorporate the same LED chip technology you'll find in our Brilliant series headlights.